Hi everyone, it's Intang Mayumi here. Today I want to share the things that I got from online purchases. I got some crafty stuff for card making. First I'm gonna show you this Astrobrights cardstock. And this one is 65 pound. I got this from Amazon, and the weight of this is decent for matting your pattern papers or panels. So I got this. It comes with all of this colors here. I also got new Sidekick Sizzix because my old one, this one doesn't work sometimes because like see that, like something's broken inside and it's catching on something, and so I got another one or new one of this, but I got the black color because I think the black color is cheaper than the white color. I got another one of this because I already have I have some of this new plates in my stash, so that's why I got another one. And I like this because it's smaller. So I'm gonna show you what's inside. So it comes with this plate here. There's two plates, clear plates, and then this one is for embossing folder. So it also comes with this embossing folder here. It's a small one. And then it comes with this dies here, tag and numbers, and also comes with this manual, and then also comes with this stamp set that coordinates with this embossing folder. And then this is the new one. I hope that this one will last me a while. I think the old one lasted me 2-3 years, and I hope this one will last more than that, so I don't have to buy a new one again. So that's this one. I also got this paper pads on Amazon, and this is the Let It Snow Doodlebug collection, and this one is old collection. I don't know when this one 2021 they released this in 2021, and it was like $6.99 on Amazon. So I got another one because my paper pad I think I already used all of it. I only have scraps, little scraps, but yeah, I had to replenish it. And I also got this one here from Amazon, and this one is the Lots of Love. It comes with 24 double-sided cardstock. Again, I already have this. This one is also 2021, but I really like the patterns on this one, so I have to get another one. And it's the same price, $6.99. And then I also got this here. This is the Craft Consortium, the essential craft papers, and this one is the Festive Flora. So it comes with all of this pretty papers. It comes with 40 double-sided sheets, 20 designs, acid and linen free, 180 GSM cardstock, and this one is 2020. That's when they released this paper pad. But I really like this paper pad. See, I know my friend Jen, she loves poinsettia. So that's that one. It's so pretty. Oh, this one, I love this pattern. That one. This one. And you can fussy cut this if you want to. I'm probably just gonna use it as pattern paper for cards, or I'm gonna use the other side. This pattern, that's the side of this here. It's so pretty. Craft Consortium, they have really nice papers. And then I also ordered some stuff from Simon Says Stamp. I think I ordered like 3 times from them. So this is the code this time. I think this one is valid until April 15. You use this code here. It's WLD4U, and you will save $5. So that's that one. I got this. This one is new release for Valentine's Day, and this one is called the Over the Rainbow paper pad or collection. I like the patterns on this ones, but the only thing that I don't like is the gnomes. I'm not a big fan of gnomes. Yeah, but I can still use, like, they are cute, but it's not my thing, you know. So it comes with cut parts. You can use this on your cards because they're really tiny. It has this pattern. It has this pattern here, hearts. This looks cute, but you know, it also has cut parts, polka dots, clouds, rainbows. It's really cute, but I'm not a big fan of the gnomes. And I didn't get a odds and ends for this one because I don't know, the odds and ends are getting pricey for me. This one is also cute, except the gnomes. So that's this paper pad. I also got this paper pad here. It's the Floral-Graph Rainbow Petite prints, and this one is 2018. They released this in 2018. I love this patterns and the flowers, and these ones are really nice for paper piecing for clothes of your images, you know. I really like this. So that's this one. I also got this here, another Craft Consortium, and this one is, I don't know how to pronounce that, Baroque. I don't know. These ones are good for if you're creating scenes that is inside the house or something. This looks to me, it's like a wallpaper, and See, it's so pretty. So I got this. I also got this fancy dies here from Hero Arts, and this one is the light and mug tag fancy dies. So I got that. I also got this here. It's another Hero Arts die, and this one is the Milky Way window fancy die. I think this was 99 cents when I got it. So I got that one. Also got this Gemini Junior or Gemini by Crafter's Companion stencil and die set. And it comes with these two dies here, and this one is the one you use for the guide to make this ornament. And I thought that this would be fun to make. It comes with this two stencil or guide, and it also comes with this instructions here on how to make your ornament, and this two die set here. So that's this one. So I'll have to try those soon. This one, this is really cute. I love this bunny. This is from Picket Fence Studios, and this one is the Peter, Bunny, and Friends stamp set. So I'm gonna use this soon for card making. So I love this one. It comes with sentiments. So that's this one. I also got this one. This one is also on sale when I got it, I think. This one is the Colorado Craft Company. It's the Cupid's bow stamp set. And I got two of the Simon Says stamp embossing folder. And this one is the Floral Festoon embossing folder. And then this one is this Graceful Holly embossing folder. This one is really pretty. It matches. You can make a card using these two patterns here. I mean two things here. So that's that one. And then the last ones that I want to share are these ones here. My friend Helen, she visited me in February. They had their craft get together. I don't know what you call it, but they were like 30 minutes away from me, and so when she was done, she dropped by and say hi and visited. And then before she went home, she gave all this beautiful sequins to me, and thank you so much, Helen, for this sequins. They're really pretty. I love them. So this one here is snowflakes, and that's her logo over here. Crafty Mama Diaries. These snowflakes are perfect for your shaker cards or for winter crafting, or even, you know, Christmas time. So that's that one. She also gave me this. So this one is gorgeous. I love this color, and I like because this is flat enough to add to your cards for embellishment, because there's no, it's not, they're not cup, and there's no hole in the middle. So this is perfect. I love this. And also she gave me some of this, like bigger ones like this, I think, or it's mixed sizes last time, and I think I used all of them, and this time she gave me more. So this one is really pretty yellow, and I love this color here. It's like an iridescent yellow, clear yellow. So that's that one. Oh, this one is also gorgeous. I love this one. This one is also perfect for your shaker cards. So pretty. And this one is blue. They're all so pretty, Helen. I love this. And this one is even have like micro beads. It's so tiny. I love this. That's so pretty. And this one also. And then she also gave me this black and white or clear with moons, iridescent moons and stars. That's that one. And this one. And she gave me oh, she also gave me this one. It's like the gold one. And this, it has mix of the silver flat sequins, white, this snowflakes, silver and white, and there's also like beads and micro beads, and there's a lot of pretty things in here. So these are all the ones that she gave me. Thank you so much, Helen, again, and thank you for visiting me. I hope to see you soon. And these are the ones that she gave me, and these are my haul. I hope you enjoy this video, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.